Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about worth factor in replacement. Now the question is: a manufacturer is offered two machines A and B. A is priced at 5,000 and running costs are established at 800 per each of the first 5 years and increased by 200 per year in the sixth and subsequent years. Machine B, which has same capacity as A, cost 2,500 but will have remaining cost of running cost of 1,200 per year of 6 years, increasing by 2,000 per year. That thereafter, if the money of worth 100% 10% per year, which mission should purchase, assuming that both missions will equally be sold for scrap of the negligible value. Now we are going to solve this problem. First step, first draw the table like this: serial number, running cost, present worth factor, v power n minus 1. Here n is called as year. In fourth column is v power n minus 1 into r and a product of column 2 and column 3. Fifth column is summation of v power n minus 1 r1. Fn means functional cost is equals to c plus sigma r power n minus 1, where c is cost of mission. Mission A cost is 5,000, mission B cost is 2,500. Seventh column is summation of v power n minus 1. Summation of v power n minus 1. Last final column is weightage of average. Weightage average is equals to function of cost divided by v summation of v power n minus 1, column 6th and 7th. Now we are going to discuss about mission A. Mission A price is 5,000. Mission A price is 5,000 and running cost for mission A price is 5,000 and running cost for mission A 800 for first 5 years. First 5 years 800. Year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 800. Each one having 800 for running cost. And remaining sixth year add increase by 200. Increase by 200 means 800 plus 200, 1,000 for sixth year. Seventh year add 200. Eighth year add 200. Ninth year add 200. 10th year add 200. This is the running cost. Next we are going to discuss about worth factor. Worth factor. This is the worth factor formula: v power n minus 1. Here where v is equals to 1 by 1 plus percentage of year. Money worth of year percentage 10%. 10% is converted to value 0.1. 1 by 1 plus percentage 0.1 is equals to 0.9091. This is the value of v. Now we are going to find the worth factor for first year. V power n minus 1. V value is 0.9091 power n value 1 first year, because of first year. 1 minus 1 0. V power 0 is equals to 1. This is the answer 1 first year. Worth factor for first year is 1. Worth factor for second year, v power n minus 1 is equals to v value is 0.09091 power year 2 minus 1. Therefore 0.9091 power 1 is equals to value of 0.9091. Worth factor for second year. Similarly third year, worth factor for v power n minus 1, where v is equals to 0.9091, n is equals to 3 third year, because of third year. 0.9091 power 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore square of 9091 is equals to 0.8264 right here, third year. Similarly fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, seventh year, eighth year, ninth year, 10th year. We are going to find power factor for years wise and write in this tabular column. Next we are going to write the fourth column. V power n minus r means product of running cost and worth factor. 800 into this one is equals to 800. 800 into 0.9091 is equals to 727. 800 into 0.8264 into product 661. Similarly, like this, year wise, 4th year, 5th year, 6th year, 7th year, 8th year, and 9th year, 10th year. Next, we are going to discuss about 5th column. Summation of Rn V bar n minus 1. Summation of 800, 800 plus 727, 1527, 1527 plus 661, 1527 plus 667, 2188, 2188 plus 601, 2789, 2789 plus 567, 3356. Like similarly, add this, like similarly 6860. Functional cost. Now we are going to find the functional cost. C. Cost of machine A is 5000 plus summation of Rn V power n minus 1. 5000 plus 800, 5800, 5000 plus this one 6527, 5000 plus this one 7188, similarly 7789. 5th year, similarly for 5th year 8335, for 6th year 8956, for 7th year 9633, for 8th year 10351 plus add this one 5000, add 5000, 11000, 97, 11,860 for 10th year. Summation of V power n minus 1. V power n minus 1. 1.00. 1.00 plus this one. 1.9091. 1.9091 plus 0.8264. 2.7355. Similarly for 4th year 3.4868. Similarly for 5th year 4.1698. Similarly for 6th year 4.7907, 4.7970. Similarly 7th year 5.3552. Similarly next year 5.8684. Similarly next year 633349. Last year 6.7590. This is the summation of present worth factor. Last one, weighted average, column 7 and 8, divided by 5800, 3419, 2628, 2234, 1999, 1869, 1799, 1764, 1752, 1755. This is the final table for machine A for 10 years. Running cost, worth factor, and functional cost. Finally, weightage of average. Observe this weightage of average continuously decreased. 28, 200, decreased, 99, 64, 52. Up to here decrease. After that, machine will be increased. Weight average is increased. Means machine A is replaced at 9th year. Machine A is replaced at 9th year. Machine A is replaced after 9 years. X1 is equals to 1752. Similarly, for mission B, same tube. For the calculations only changes cost. Mission cost is 2500. Here running cost for mission B. Running cost for mission B is 1200. Running cost of mission B is 1200 per years of 6 years. First 6 years 1200. 1200, 1200, 1200, 1200, 1200. First 6 years. And then next increased by 2000 per year. Per year means next year, only next year, no subsequent years, only year means 7th year. Add 2000, 1200 plus 2000, 3200. Similarly, next V power n minus 1 means present worth factor 1.00, 0.90. Similarly, previous table takes the values from previous table. Both are all values are same because of this one, worth of 10% per year, both for same years. That's why don't we never change the value of V. Therefore worth factor also never change. That's why copy the values from previous table up to 7 years only. Product of V power n minus 1 and R1. Next, similarly previous table according to similar table. Similar procedure for previous table. 1200 summation of R1 and 1, 1200 plus this one is equal to this one is plus this one is equal to this one plus this one is equal to this one. Functional cost C plus sigma R power Rn V power n minus 1. Here C is value of C is 2500. Cost of mission B. Add the 2500, 3700. Similarly, add to the 2500 this one, add the 2500 this one, add the 2500 this one. Like similarly up to year of 7. Summation of V power n minus 1. Copy the previous table as it is. Weightage of average divided by this one and this one. 3700 divided by 1, 3700. 4791 divided by 1.9091 is equals to 2510. Similarly, 5782 divided by 2.7355 is equals to 2114. Similarly, like this, find out the weightage of average up to 7 years of mission B. Here check the value of weightage of years: 3700, 2500, 2100, 1900, 1800, 1700 and again 1800. Finally, here continuously decreased up to 6 years. 7th year is increased. That's why mission B will be replaced. Mission B will be replaced at the 6th year. At the 6th year, mission B is replaced after 6 years. EX2 is equals to 1722. Mission A X1 1752 is greater than X2. So it will be better to purchase mission B instead of A. This is the answer. Thank you guys.